Here's what's going to happen if you're riding a motorcycle in the state of Connecticut and you don't have the special motorcycle license that's required by the state. Hi, I'm Erin Enfield. I'm a personal injury lawyer in Connecticut with a statewide practice serving all of Connecticut. Did you know that Connecticut has a special license for motorcyclists? And if you don't, stay tuned and I'll give you some information. Connecticut also has an optional permit that you can get if you want to be a motorcycle rider. And here's why this is a benefit to you. When you have this permit, what it allows you to do is ride your motorcycle for 60 days without a passenger, and you have to have a helmet and you have to have eyewear. Those are the requirements when you're using this permit. You also, in order to get the motorcycle license, you also have to take a safety class. Now, you have to take that safety class whether you have the permit or not. So the first requirement to get a motorcycle license is you have to have a driver's license. So now, if you're driving and you think that because you have a regular driver's license and you can ride your motorcycle, if you get caught or if you have an accident, here is the weapon that's going to be used by the insurance company trying to avoid liability for you. They're going to say to you, well, you know, we know you got hurt, we know you got injured, and we know maybe it wasn't your fault, but you didn't have the license you're required to have, and that's basically like not having a license at all. So since you were wrong in the way you handled it, even though you weren't at fault in the accident, we're going to reduce your claim because we know that if we brought this to a trial, we would win on this point. And the sad thing is, they're probably right. So driving without a motorcycle license when you have a motorcycle is a recipe for disaster. I've seen it, I've dealt with it, and the insurance companies love it when they have a man or a woman that doesn't have that license that gets hurt because all of a sudden that person's compensation can be cut in half. If you'd like to know more, if you have this going on or you have a friend that maybe has a situation like that, call me. Pick up the phone. I'm here. I answer questions every day for people and I welcome your call. Again, I'm Erin Enfield. Thank you for coming by.